I'm Randall Barney. We're here at CABSAT speaking with WTA members about satellite solutions and technologies and how they're meeting the needs of their customers today and in the future.
I would say, particularly in the area of satellite communications, we have launched a technology 5 years ago now, gallium nitride, which is being used in the amplifiers within satellite communications. Many other people in the market have also come into that. But gallium nitride is much more efficient at turning electrical power into transmitted power, which allows the size of units to reduce, the performance of units to increase. And this is making a tremendous difference in the business case for, particularly for large Earth stations, but it can be used in relatively small Earth stations as well. And we're seeing a tremendous benefit in this in terms of cost reductions and performance improvements. Well, in terms of reducing cost and managing complexity, I already mentioned the gallium nitride, but looking to another area of our business in the VSAT, we find that a lot of our customers now find it very difficult to predict where their VSAT network needs to go in the next few months or even a few weeks. Requirements on a VSAT network are changing all of the time, and so we've introduced technologies that allow the system to modify the way that it operates on an almost instantaneous basis to choose the most appropriate transmission technology, whether that's TDMA, burst mode SCPC or pure SCPC, switch between those technologies to allow the most efficient use of the satellite and the best solution for the customer when they really don't know what they're going to need next. The gallium nitride and VSAT technologies that I already referred to are helping us to drive down the size of solutions and the cost of solutions, and that can only be good for the transmission business. And we see that developing further over the next few years as we bring in particularly integrated solution where we're putting the modem technology inside to the amplifier technology, amplifier solution, and again that helps to drive down the complexity because we can bring either DVB-ASI or Ethernet directly to the amplifier without having indoor units, without having lots of separate modems, and provide a completely integrated solution. A good question. I know the things that we're working on, and I can't talk about all of those, but I think there will be some interesting things coming out of Advantech Wireless over the next few years that will make people sit up. I also look to the changes that we are seeing in the industry that are being brought by high throughput satellites, by the new clouds of microsatellites that are being discussed and due to be launched. And I think all of those will be a really exciting time, which we're working hard to be able to address at the appropriate moment.